So, once again, Girl Talk Part 3. We're just talking about fake friends, friendships, associates, etc., the drama. What I think it is it's also in how we're raised. Because I feel like we raise men and women differently. And that's why there's always chaos when men and women come together. Because you're sitting up here raising the female to think this way and you're raising the male to think that way, and then that's why they don't work out together. Because if you think about it, like with female friendships, it's always drama. Like,
Right.
it's always drama. It's always he said, she said, people talking behind each other's back, people gossiping to each other, talking trash about each other, but then turning around and smiling in each other's face. And I don't understand how 1 minute you can dislike or hate somebody, but then, oh girl, we should all hang out. Oh yeah. Like, where does that come from when you just got done talking about how she's a trashy bitch?
Exactly. Like, I know a lot of people that I used to hang out with. I don't hang out with them no more, and that's probably the reason. And cause it was just too much fakery going on. Like, I never say I hate anyone because hate is like a really strong word, but it seemed like other people use it a lot. And but then they still, like Gia was saying, they're still in front of your face. They still want to hang out. They still want to, like, they still want to be in contact with you. And it's kind of like, if you don't like somebody, or you don't, if you hate them, so called, that you say, why are you friends with them on Facebook or these social media sites? Why are you still trying to be in contact with them? Why do you still have their phone number? Why do you still want to make plans with them or invite them to certain events that you have? Like, that just shows that you're fake as hell. Like, how can anybody believe anything that come out your mouth or anything that you say? Like, there's no trust in that. Like, that's just, it's just fake. It's just fake at the end of the day.
Exactly. It's just like, I don't know. And that's what I mean by men and women being raised differently. Like, we raise females to basically hate each other, and
Yeah.
not to support each other and, care about each other and uplift each other. We basically raise females in this idea that, she's the enemy. So all of you guys are going against each other 24/7, and then we turn around and we raise men to respect each other. That's my brother, that's my homie. Where with women, it's like, that bitch. Like,
Right.
this is the type of stuff that we're doing. And then we're sitting
Right.
up here wondering why relationships, whether it's boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife, boyfriend, boyfriend, girlfriend, girlfriend, or friends or whatever, we want to know why they don't work out. Well, shit. It's all in how
Mm-hmm.
you're raised. Like,
Right. And then, like a lot, like the saying goes, like, never put, never let anyone put a label on you. But it's kind of like some of these people, you have no choice because it's how they act. And the fact, and the one sad thing about it is, especially, it's most of the time it's the people that, you're around the same age or you're exactly the same age, acting like fools. Like, you will look at them kind of crazy. You will say, well, they're this and there's that and there's this. I don't like what they do. I don't like what they do. Everybody has their opinion. But some of those things be true because it is actually the truth when people act fake and that's the thing. Like, I really, say my opinion on them and I keep it moving. And that's not being shady. That's just being my own opinion because I can't deal with fakery. Like, if you're gonna be fake, I'd rather you not even deal with me because you will get red at the end of the day, and I probably won't deal with you for a while because it's just fake. Like, I won't be texting you and that type of thing and wanting to talk and that type of thing. Like, it's just some things that friendships do and they don't do. And there's some friends that they just don't tolerate bullshit and they or fakery.
exactly. And another thing that gets me is like, what I mean by with females is the drama and the cattiness. Like, grow the fuck
Yeah.
up. Like,
Yeah.
I don't understand how you'd be sitting up here talking about fuck that bitch, she ain't this, she ain't that, but then, oh, we need to go to the mall.
Yeah, and like,
Like,
and I agree with that because like different experiences that in my life, where like I think one of the main reasons is that why certain friendships or relationships can't get along, because I think it's just too much egos that's clashing at one time.
Mm-hmm.
And it's not that they don't like each other, it's just too many, it's just too many differences and judgment. Like when you start to judge people and then you have these certain egos, at the end of the day you just start to clash. And I never understood those type of friends that judge the other person. And that's probably one of the reasons that a lot of these relationships and these friendships and whatever else doesn't get along, because it's a lot of judgmental things and comparisons, stuff like that. And a lot of people don't like when you judge them based off what they have, or compare them to other people, or that type of thing. And so it's a lot of that, as well as on top of all of that, it's a lot of egos that's clashing. Mm-hmm. And at the end of the day, sometimes it doesn't really last long because there's too many egos at one time.
Right. And another thing I'm going to bring up is, like, the way we're raised also goes into play in how dudes will put girls against each other. Because if you notice, dudes, for the most part, I mean, granted, this is kind of, like, my opinion, so I'm probably biased or whatever, but dudes, for the most part, they're not going to be tripping over a bitch. It is what it is. They're not. Okay, where females, y'all sit up here and y'all put dudes on a fucking pedestal and be going crazy, where y'all fighting over dudes over bullshit. It's not worth it. That's why you always hear dudes saying, fuck them hoes, bros before hoes. Meanwhile, y'all, girls, y'all got it all the way mixed up. Y'all will put dudes over sisters, dudes over friends that's been there since day one.
Right.
Okay. That's what I'm getting at. Like I said, you're so confused. Y'all sit up here and then the sad part is he's cheating on your ass. And then your friend, they try to warn you about how this nigga ain't about shit. But what do? Y'all don't know him. That's my baby. Who are you to judge? And all this other shit. But then when the shit hits the fan, who you come crying to?
Exactly.
Okay? Exactly. Where dudes have each other's backs for the most part. Right. They not finna sit up and let their homeboy date a hoe. Meanwhile, females, I don't know what it is, but you put...
It's just like a lot of females will leave their friends hanging for some bullshit. Like, and I'm not talking about, one person leaving, dating. No, I'm not talking about that. Just in general, like, you don't hear a lot of females always have each other's back. It's always some fake bitch that's involved that always fucks up the friendship. It's always that one person. Most of the time, it's always that one bitch that is just fake as fuck. And then at the end of the day, when you tell they ass off, they act so fucking innocent. Like, they don't know what the fuck you talking about. You got those type of females. And it's just, at the end of the day, it's like, it's not even sad. It's more like, it's pathetic at the end of the day. Because it's kind of like, okay, we're supposed to be friends, and you're just one of the fake bitches.
Exactly.
Basically.
And it's this condescending fake behavior. And like I said, you sitting up here, like, I look at a lot of dudes, they got a tight bond. Like, they're not finna screw they bond up for shit. Meanwhile, females, but that's what I mean by, as I feel like, due to the sexism and the, misogynistic and just everything, there's reasons why women and men do the stuff they do, because it's how you're raised. We're basically raised not to love ourselves, not to love each other, not to trust each other. We're dudes, if you look at how society is set up, it's set up for them to always have bonding moments. That's why they always talk about male bonding. You never hear about female bonding at all.
Right.
Okay, and that's because we don't have sisterhood. As much as we like to talk about it, we never had it. Okay, case in point, I'm gonna just put it out. Black women, we sit up here and we hate each other. You will see a black female walking down the street. She'll see another black female, and they'll give each other just snug ass, mean mug looking shit. You know, it's just like, what is that about? Meanwhile, you'll see two dudes walking down the street, and they'll give each other a dap or whatever. You know, it's just like this fake ass behavior that is basically being indoctrinated, and that's why your friendships don't work out. That's why your relationships don't work out. Just putting it for what it is.
Right, and it's kind of like what she was saying, like, you know, there's a lot of, it's more like in this, like with the females in general, there's a lot of judgmental. Like, I know this show that they always show once a year called Black Girls Rock, and it's kind of like, you know, how they realize what, you know, we go through and just being, you know, celebrated because of, it's just so many people that's against us in general.
Exactly.
That they don't never see the other side. Okay, they're worth it. They did this. They're, you know, it's like we don't see enough of that. We have so many people against us right now, and it's really crazy how you can't even walk down the street without somebody mugging you or trying to start something with you or trying to judge you based off how you look. Like the show that they have once a year, I believe is coming up, I believe, and they have it every year, and it's actually good that they have it every year because a lot of people need to know that. Like,
exactly.
It's good, and it's something good in everybody.
Exactly.
And you shouldn't be judgmental or
we'll be moving to part 4.
Just being judgmental compared
part
to
4